Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Electrical cable assembly and wire harness manufacturing is labor-intensive and requires precision and a well-planned out production process. It's no wonder manufacturers outsource it. Fulfilling the demand for exceptional quality assemblies delivered on time is JEM Electronics. JEM is an industry leader that has been in the business of making the right connections for over 35 years. Those connections aren't just their top-notch work, but loyal customers from diverse markets, including alternative energy, environmental, medical, military, and semiconductor. At their headquarters in Franklin, Massachusetts, JEM offers design for manufacturability assistance with the latest technology to make everything from prototypes to large-scale production runs. Customers can find custom cable assemblies, electromechanical assemblies, box builds, RF cables, and COTS cables. With a strong focus on automation, JEM can efficiently and precisely produce your custom electronic assemblies. JEM utilizes high-speed automated cutting, stripping, crimping, and tinning machines to ensure both high quality and process repeatability. JEM Electronics performs 100% electrical testing and visual inspection on all assemblies. Utilizing the latest equipment, JEM performs resistance, continuity, high-pot, and VISWA testing. Other value-added services offered are custom cable labeling and kitting. The company is ITAR, ISO, UL, and CSA registered, as well as a member of IPC and WHMA, a testament to its high management of quality and safety standards. Request a quote or check out their website at gemelectronics.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.